How to log in Noon app, how to use Noon app. If you want to log in or to the Noon app or basically use it, it's very simple. So to log into Noon app, open up the Noon app and this is the type of interface that you will see. Then what you want to do is just tap on the account icon that you can find here. Then at the top left you can see login or sign up. Tap on login or sign up. First of all, if you do not have an account, go to the sign up tab, enter the email you want to use, tap on continue and verify the code and your account will be created. But if you already have an account, enter the email address your account was associated with, tap on continue. It's going to send a verification code to your email or a one-time passcode. So go ahead and then make sure to simply open up your Gmail and check if you have received verification code from Noon app. And right over here, you can basically see you'll be able to go ahead and then read the messages right here. So let me go ahead and then basically tap on the click here option. It will give me my code. I can copy the code, come over here, paste the code, and once done, I'll be able to log in. And of course, after I'm logged in, I'll then be able to use the Noon app and place my orders and so on. So you can log in or use the Noon app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.